In this video, I'm going to show you how to start creating a workflow and which functions it has to offer. First, go to workflow.vsight.io and log in with your admin credentials. Once you enter the platform, click on Create New Workflow button at the upper right side. You will land in our details page, in which you should give information about your workflow to your users: name, description, estimated duration, and labels. If you choose to show content page, users will get an outline of each question before starting. If you're not sure about some of the information you want to put in this section, you can always come back to it later. Let's jump to Editor now. Click on Create New Step button at the bottom to get started. For each step, choose the layout: full page, vertical page, or horizontal page. You can name each of your respective steps, and each step can be customized. You can rename, duplicate, clone it to another workflow, move or delete individual steps. Remember that if you want your users to see an outline of steps, each of them should be named accordingly. You can also change step layout if needed, adjust preview to the end user's device, and click into the preview field to add or edit content. Choose a widget and add your content field respectively. Check out another video to review all of the widgets available.